What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it looks as though it is coiling up really nicely still inside of this little formation that we've been seeing. Obviously the whole market today going into the 1st of October seems as though it really doesn't care about that September bearishness because it's been having a really nice pump today. I mean, Elrond is picking up off of around that $200 level. Up around, what is this, 15% today? We're seeing the whole market up double digits today, which is really cool to see. And you can see it looks as though we are still holding this macro trend line. We've had a really nice trend all the way up. Back tested, and now we are, as we said a million times before, coiling up for a nice little, formation here. And as we said, if we do continue to see a pump in the market, we're probably going to see Elrond, pumping up, breaking out of this back testing, and away we go. So basically, overall, Elrond having a really nice pump today, looking like it's still coiling up for that move that we've been talking about for a while. And it does seem likely that it's probably going to come fairly soon. We've obviously got our fib retracement here where we can take a look at some of our key levels. You can see here that we come down on the way up. Obviously, we've got resistance support. We come all the way up to that $300 level. We come back down to support at the 0.78. We come back up to that previous all-time high. We come back down to psychological support in and around the $200 level. Getting that pickup today in the market, and as we said, if we do continue to look quite bullish, we're probably going to be looking at a nice little move for Elrond to the upside pretty damn soon. And considering how much of a nice pump that we are getting here, we could potentially just see ourselves completely break out and back test, and away we go. But we're still coiling inside of this range, looking like we're about to test that resistance again. We're actually testing it right now, as you can see on the hourly time frame. We've actually come up and got rejected in this area. But it does seem likely, in our opinion, that if we do start to see ourselves breaking out, back testing, that we're probably going to be looking at a really nice pump for Elrond pretty soon. And it's just forming up really bullishly, isn't it? This is a textbook pennant formation, flag formation, pennant formation, you could say. And then, sooner or later, we are going to see ourselves break out of this. And if we break to the upside and back test, then we're obviously looking for those really nice price targets, aren't we, for Elrond? So basically, overall, things looking really bullish in general. We really like the look of this chart. I mean, if you zoom out, this is a super bullish chart. Basically forming something like this, potentially that cup and handle. Or if we just get the breakout here, the back test, and then we go up towards the all-time high, we could be looking at some really nice price targets pretty damn soon. So we'll keep things short and sweet, but I think it's fairly obvious from this chart that Elrond's been doing really well. I mean, from a low a few months ago of around $50, currently well over $200. And holding that price really well. All-time high of around $301 is absolutely crazy. And we can see here, if we do break out of this and back test, do something like this, we will be heading back up towards that all-time high of $300 fairly soon. And it looks like, basically October is going to be a really bullish month. So short-term price predictions then, if we do roll over one last time and get rejected from this resistance line again, we're obviously going to come probably back down into this apex here before we do coil up and most likely get that break to the upside, especially considering that the market's looking so bullish and Elrond has been looking so bullish as well. And then if we do see ourselves breaking out of this little formation here, obviously we've got that $300 level as a short-term price prediction to the upside. If we do start to move up, $300 is our next target, and then we do have that 127 as well at around $375 if we can break that psychological resistance. And then, as we said, we do really think Elrond over $1,000 by the end of the bull run is really quite likely, in our opinion. It's only around a 4x from the current price. And it's about a 3x from the all-time high. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.